Hello friends, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. This is the first part of double bearing block assembly. The base dimension is 90 by 40, height is 25 mm. Select new. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select the plane. Select here center rectangle. Create one rectangle, give the dimension 40. This is 40, 90. Finish sketch, extrude up to 25 mm. Next select the surface, sketch. Here select, there are two cutouts in the both edges. Give the dimensions 10 by 10 cutout. You can see two cutouts, that dimension is 10 by 10. Here bottom also one more cutout, 45, height is 5 mm. Select the line, create one center line here, convert this construction. Select this sketch, mirror about center axis, apply. Next select line, create one line like this. Give the dimension, this is 45 mm, height is 5 mm. Give the symmetric constraint. Give the dimension. Finish sketch. Select extrude, select cut, select the faces. Here select through all. Okay. Next select this surface, sketch. Here there is two circles, one is diameter 25. Select circle 25 mm. This side also 25. Pitch is 35 mm. From here to here 35 by 2. Select this and select horizontal constraint, select this and this. Next select project geometry, select this body, select line, give the dimension 15, here to here 7.5 mm. Select tangent, select this and this. So finish sketch, select extrude, select this and this body, reverse direction 5 mm only. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, create 15 circle. Or yes, 15. Select finish sketch, select extrude, select both the circle, reverse direction through hull. Okay. Next select this extrusion, select mirror about center plane, apply. So next there are 6 holes, M4. Select this surface, sketch, select the point, give 6 points, give the dimension here to here 15, here to here 7.5. This pitch is 60, here to here 30 mm. Next select constraints, select horizontal constraint. Next select this and this, again select this and this. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Tap is M4. Select here tap hole. Select isometric. M4 is okay. Don't need through. Give the drill length 15 mm. Here tap length 13 mm. Okay. So here actually points taken. Edit sketch. Remove these points. Give the horizontal constraints. Finish sketch. That's it. Save the part. Body. Here assign the material. Friends, if you are enjoying this session, please hit the like button. Select stainless steel. In the stainless steel we can assign finishes. Which finish you want, you can assign as per your requirements. I will go with polished and brushed. Sorry. Okay, so you can edit the color here. Select entire body. Here select which color you want. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy the session, and also once again I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this session, friends.